Alright, let's kick things off with a bang, or should I say a beam of light. Light is one of the most fascinating phenomena in the universe. We all know light is fast, really fast. But just how fast is it, really? Light travels at a staggering 299,792,458 meters per second. That's almost 300,000 kilometers every single second. To put that into perspective, that's so fast that it can circle the Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. Imagine that for a moment. Imagine traveling from New York to Los Angeles in less than the blink of an eye. You'd be there before you even realized you left. Now that's what I call a speedy commute. No more traffic jams or long flights. And here's something even more mind-blowing. The light we see from the sun isn't actually live. It's like watching a delayed broadcast. It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth, so the sunlight we see is already 8 minutes old. That means if the sun were to suddenly vanish, we wouldn't know for a whole 8 minutes. We'd be living in a past moment without even realizing it. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. It's a fundamental rule of the universe. It's the ultimate speed limit of the cosmos. No matter how advanced our technology gets, this speed limit remains unbreakable. Now let's shift gears from the vastness of space to something a bit closer to home. Literally underfoot. The largest living organism on Earth isn't a whale, an elephant, or even a giant sequoia tree. It's a fungus. Hidden beneath the Malheur National Forest in Oregon lies a sprawling network of honey mushrooms, a single organism known as Armillaria ostoyi. This massive fungal colony spans over 2,000 acres, which is roughly the size of 1,665 football fields. Imagine walking through the forest, completely unaware that beneath your feet lies a sprawling, interconnected web of life, thousands of years old. It's a stark reminder that some of the most incredible wonders of nature are hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Let's face it, space can be a pretty harsh place. Luckily for us, Earth has a secret weapon, an invisible shield that protects us from the sun's wrath: our magnetic field. This invisible force field is generated deep within Earth's core, where molten iron flows and creates electric currents. These currents generate a magnetic field that extends far out into space, enveloping our planet in a protective cocoon. This magnetic field acts like a cosmic force field, deflecting most of the harmful radiation and solar winds that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere. It's a constant reminder that we're living inside a dynamic, interconnected system that's constantly at work protecting us. Hold on tight, because we're about to venture into the realm of pure mind-bending possibilities, the multiverse. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the stars and wondered if we're alone in the universe. But what if our universe isn't the only one? What if, beyond the cosmic horizon, lie countless other universes, each with its own set of laws of physics, its own galaxies, stars, and maybe even its own forms of life? This is the mind-boggling concept of the multiverse, a theoretical framework that suggests our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of parallel realities. While the multiverse remains a theory, it's a tantalizing one that captures our imaginations and pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Let's travel back in time now, not to another universe, but to the ancient past of our own planet. Scattered across the globe are living organisms that have witnessed millennia come and go, silent sentinels of time that have stood the test of ages. Take, for example, the Methuselah tree, a bristlecone pine nestled high in the White Mountains of California. This ancient tree is over 4,800 years old, meaning it was alive during the building of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Then there's the Greenland shark, a deep-sea giant that can live for over 400 years, making it the longest-lived vertebrate on Earth. These ancient creatures are living libraries of history, their rings and genes holding secrets of past climates, ecosystems, and the very evolution of life on Earth. The concept of time travel has captivated humanity for centuries. Imagine being able to journey through time, witnessing historical events firsthand, or even glimpsing the future. But is time travel truly possible, or is it just the stuff of science fiction? While we haven't quite cracked the code to building a time machine, the laws of physics don't necessarily rule out the possibility. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time is not absolute, but is relative to the observer's frame of reference. So, while hopping in a DeLorean and traveling to the past might still be a distant dream, the nature of time itself is far stranger and more malleable than we once thought. Get ready to enter a world where the normal rules of reality seem to break down. a realm of particles that can be in two places at once, and where the very fabric of the universe is woven with probabilities and uncertainties. Imagine a place where cats can be both dead and alive at the same time. Welcome to the quantum realm. This is the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, where the impossible becomes possible. Quantum physics is a branch of science that studies the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic levels. Here, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and the act of observation can change the outcome of an experiment. Things get seriously weird down there. One of the most mind-boggling concepts in quantum physics is particle duality. This is the idea that particles like electrons can behave like both particles and waves. It's a phenomenon that defies our everyday experiences and challenges our understanding of the physical world. Imagine it's like a coin that can be both heads and tails at the same time until we observe it. This is known as quantum superposition, a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics. Then there's quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where two particles become linked, even across vast distances. Measuring the state of one particle instantly determines the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's as if they share a mysterious connection that transcends space and time. The quantum realm is a place where intuition goes to die, and where the very nature of reality is constantly being challenged. It's a world that forces us to rethink everything we know about the universe and our place within it. In the vastness of space, amidst the cosmic symphony of radio waves, a signal emerged from the constellation Sagittarius on August 15, 1977, a signal that would forever be etched in the annals of scientific mystery, the WOW signal. This powerful 72-second burst of radio waves was picked up by the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University, and it was like nothing astronomers had ever heard before. The signal was strong, narrowband, and perfectly positioned to have originated from an extraterrestrial civilization. Despite numerous attempts to relocate the signal, it has never been heard again. To this day, the WOW signal remains one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for extraterrestrial intelligence, a tantalizing hint that we might not be alone in the universe. Black holes, those enigmatic cosmic beasts that lurk at the hearts of galaxies, are among the most fascinating and terrifying objects in the universe. Imagine a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. These cosmic monsters are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, their cores imploding into an infinitely dense point called a singularity. As matter spirals into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk, a swirling vortex of superheated gas and dust that emits intense radiation. Time itself warps near the event horizon, the point of no return, where the pull of gravity becomes inescapable. Black holes are a testament to the extreme forces that shape our universe, reminders that even in the darkest corners of space, wonders and horrors await those who dare to explore. We began our journey with the mind-bending concept of the multiverse, and that's where we'll end it, exploring the mind-boggling possibility of parallel universes. These universes, each with their own unique characteristics, challenge our understanding of reality. Imagine a reality where you made different choices, where history unfolded differently, and where every decision created a new branch of existence. Or where the laws of physics themselves operate in ways we can barely comprehend. In some universes, gravity might be stronger, or time might flow differently. These alternate realities existing alongside our own offer endless possibilities and scenarios that stretch the limits of our imagination. They are the stuff of science fiction, inspiring countless stories, movies, and books that explore these fascinating concepts. But they're also serious topics of scientific inquiry. Researchers and scientists are delving into these theories, trying to uncover the mysteries of the multiverse. The idea of parallel universes arises from various theories, including string theory and quantum mechanics, which suggest that our universe might be just one of many coexisting realities. These theories propose that there could be countless other universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants, which suggests that our universe might be just one of many coexisting realities. These parallel universes could be vastly different from our own, with different dimensions, different laws of physics, and even different versions of ourselves. In some, we might be living entirely different lives with different experiences and outcomes. These alternate versions of ourselves could be making different choices, leading to entirely different paths and destinies. While we haven't found any definitive proof of parallel universes, the search continues. Scientists are constantly developing new methods and technologies to explore these possibilities. The very possibility is enough to ignite our imaginations and make us question the nature of reality itself. What if there are other versions of us out there, living different lives? It's a profound thought that challenges our understanding of existence and pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 mind-blowing facts that have probably left you questioning everything you thought you knew. From the speed limit of the universe to the mysteries of the quantum realm, we've journeyed through some of the most incredible and thought-provoking wonders of science. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and every discovery leads to even more questions. So keep that sense of wonder alive, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the incredible world around us. Until next time, keep exploring.